GPT-5.4 is rolling out in GitHub Copilot now. Let's see it in action. I'm going to add some new functionality to a weekly planning app that I have. Now, when I add a new feature, I always like to start with the plan agent. So let me send my prompt to add meal swap functionality, and then I'll go over the feature and my app a bit more. This is a weekly planner app I have that handles both weekly meal plans and weekend activity plans. Now, at the start of the week, I generate a new meal plan that covers all meals for the week. And right now, I can regenerate the entire weekly plan if I want. But there's not functionality to regenerate just a single meal if I want to swap just that out. So let's see if GPT-5.4 can help. If we head back to our plan session, we see that we've been asked some clarifying questions that have come just from my basic one-sentence prompt, like determining how and when a meal should be swapped, and what context should be kept when the swap happens. After we give it those answers, GPT-5.4 continues to iterate on the plan. And we've seen that GPT-5.4 has really excelled at logical reasoning. While this may seem like a simple task, there are actually a lot of moving pieces in this app that it needs to account for, and we can see the model break down each of those phases and files as it creates a comprehensive plan. Now, if we move to implementing this plan, we can see that pragmatic reasoning even further as it efficiently executes this multi-step task. As GPT-5.4 finishes tackling each of these tasks, we see it self-validate, fixing bugs along the way so that we have a sound solution. And if we test the functionality out, we have a new icon that fits right into our design and successfully swaps a meal. We can't wait to see what you build with GPT-5.4.